Welcome to Auto In this video, I will show you how to claim food prizes in McDonald's app and redeem your rewards easily.
Step 1. Open the McDonald's app. Make sure your app is updated. Tap the Monopoly or My Rewards banner on the home screen. Step 2. Sign and log in to your My McDonald's Rewards account. If you don't have one, create an account. Step 3. Go to My Prizes tab, My Prizes or Rewards, to see all your instant win food prizes. Step 4. Select a prize tab, the prize you want to redeem. Check the details and expiration date. Step 5. Redeem at checkout. Use the app at checkout in-store or via mobile order. Show the prize code or let the app apply it automatically. Step 6. Enjoy your reward. Your food prize is now redeemed. Repeat for any other prizes before they expire.